The year is 2015. In a decade that has given us the global financial crisis, the Arab Spring and ISIS, we discover that the second half of the turbulent teens will be no less tumultuous and problematic than the first. Military standoffs continue in Ukraine, rockets fall on Tel Aviv and Gaza, armies revolt in Egypt and Thailand, and the far right marches in Europe once more. In this era of globalization, the Earth feels smaller. In this age of superconnectivity, time seems shorter. And in a world of continuous, rapid innovation, permanence itself seems elusive and transient. But the pushback has already begun. Awkward questions are now being asked. Complex solutions are now being embraced. Cross-generational timeframes to achieve our goals are now being considered and implemented. This is the age of the long near, an era in which generations rather than individuals are tasked with changing our world. Time, rather than gas, coal, oil, or wind, is the commodity we need to help us survive and thrive amid these new and future challenges. Technology, economics, and clean energy solutions are being combined to develop and define whole system thinking. Science, nature, and biotechnology are being drawn on to help us achieve 100-year lifespans. Cathedral thinking and long now strategies are the methods being employed to develop 1,000-year corporations. But the age of the long near requires us to act, to think, to do, to define, but above all, to commit. For the now, for the next, for the long near.